financial organizing solution. It's myOrganized.life. May 31st, 2018. That
Hello.
was a singular financial organizing
solution.
That means
I
we
kinda-
only have...
Yeah, I kind of hesitated like when I read that. Like, what is going on? There's only one.
Okay, so first of all, we have to give the backstory, which is Thursdays are
Solution days.
Solutions Day.
Solutions
But we only
Day.
have one solution today, don't we?
True, we do. Okay, so I guess you were right when you made that slide.
I guess so. Well, let's put a different slide up, which
Okay.
says, this is myOrganized.life, and I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and we get your comments.
Comments and feedback
But
and
you're never
likes.
supposed to talk about money, so we can't put anything in the comments about
Nothing
money.
about money.
Money and
Nothing.
religion and politics.
Right.
Of course, on Facebook, that's all you ever see is
Oh my
politics
gosh,
all
I
over the
know.
place. But we're not going to talk about it.
Nope, we're not.
We're here to give you solutions for
Finances.
financials.
Yeah,
But
and
we
we're
only
not
have a solution, though.
Right, one solution. And we're
Okay.
not professionals. You should probably see your, financial advisor if you really want to get deep into this stuff. But we've
Right.
kind of got a surface solution is what we can call it, right?
Yeah,
Can we call it that?
well, why would you call it a surface solution?
I don't know, because you're not getting really deep.
Okay.
You're not taking it to the professional level. We're giving you surface advice.
Right, exactly.
Is that good?
That's good. And by
Okay.
the way, just the reason I was looking down there is I was getting our
Oh,
next slide
the next
ready.
slide, yes.
Yeah, which
okay.
we want to pull up in just a moment
Sure.
here, which is this.
Yes, this
is what we're talking about. It's the all-in-one financial planning organizer.
Yes, that's a mouthful.
92071. That's why we only had one solution, because it's that is a mouthful of stuff.
And it covers a lot.
Look at that.
It's pretty nice.
That is. I love it.
It's a paper
Well, do you
expanding
think they
file.
did green because it's financial? I wonder
I
if
think
our
the-
sharp marketing
I think
team
the
did
genius that came up with this product did, in fact, make this
that.
green.
And they used the $ icon on
Yes.
there. Wow.
I know.
There is a lot of thought that goes into this. Actually, this
I
is
think
this
I
is
actually created that icon.
I think you did.
I think
That's
I
why I
did.
called it a genius who came up with it, right?
That would be me.
Okay, good.
So what this is an expanding file, which we've talked about expanding files before,
They
just a couple
expand.
weeks ago, I believe.
Some people call them
Accordion files. So
files.
this is your
You have to go back and watch that show about
Yes.
expanding your solutions.
Yes, you were quite the
I was had a lot of
character.
coffee that day.
I think you did. Yes.
It was a lot of fun though.
Right.
Okay.
So it's an accordion expanding file. Well, that white is really white on that screen.
Yeah, well here, let's take it up
yeah,
to this
let's show
screen
that,
right
okay.
here. We'll give a nice, so you can see the little $ icon
Yes.
that Leanne created. And here you get tabbed
It's 12,
dividers there.
yep, 12 pockets.
12 pockets,
Yep.
okay.
And it has a larger pocket in back for
Okay.
more thicker, maybe
That's like, I
booklets or
think for
something.
like your tax returns
Right.
and some, maybe
Yep.
thicker documents.
But the great thing about this is it's not just a standard folder. It comes with basically the meat of this
Okay.
is
This is the special sauce.
the special sauce that you can't get anywhere else but here
Right.
in this product. First of all, it comes with labels.
Right.
But the real thing is it comes with this all-in-one. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not an all-in-one. It's a wheel of organization.
The wheel of organization, right.
And inside, it's a
Here,
wheel.
Let me hold it up to this one here. Look at that.
It comes with all sorts of topics and tips. Not tips.
Well,
topics
it's actually
and
it's suggested headings. 'Cause
suggested headings.
A lot of
That's a
times
good-
people
good
don't
word
know
for it.
what they don't know.
Right.
So they want to be able to put in, this financial file, different things, but they're saying, oh, well, what should go in there? Well, Social Security statements and cards, employer information, retirement accounts and investments, loans. All these are
Home
different
mortgage
categories.
stuff. All the different categories
And they
come in here.
with the little viewables, pre-printed labels with the icons,
Yeah,
but there's also blank ones on there as well.
So you can fill in your own if you want.
Yeah. So if there's another financial thing, maybe there isn't one on here, Bitcoin.
Oh,
so maybe
Bitcoin.
if you're into Bitcoin, you can
Is that
going to
become a thing?
I think it already is a thing.
Is it a real?
But then I read an article yesterday that says by the year, 2118, which is 100 years from now, Bitcoin won't be around. Well, we won't either, so it really
so
doesn't
who
matter.
cares, really? Yeah.
But hey, before we go any farther,
Sure.
for the myOrganized.life store, I created a little video which kind of gives an overview of this.
Okay.
So let's take a look at that right now. Hi, this is John from myOrganized.life with another one of our all-in-one organizer kits. This is the all-in-one financial planning organizer. The all-in-one financial planning organizer is perfect for storing all your financial documents in one place. The all-in-one financial planning organizer comes with one sheet of viewables labels, both printed and blank for customization. You can customize for free at viewables.com. It's both PC and Mac compatible. You'll also receive the Wheel of Organization, which will help you organize your documents into the appropriate categories. On the back of the Wheel of Organization, you'll find easy instructions on how to put your organizer together. The all-in-one financial planning organizer, another great organizing solution from myOrganized.life. Okay, so there's a good overview.
Right.
It kind of shows how you can use the headings. Talks about the Wheel of Organization.
Yep.
Now, I know a lot of financial planners like using this
Right.
For their clients.
Yep.
And what's kind of nice, what's nice about this expanding file or accordion file with the cord closure on it is you could take this with you.
Yep. And it
So-
also fits nicely in a file drawer
Yeah,
too.
fits in a file drawer, but if you want to go see your financial planner,
You have everything in
you
there.
have everything right there. So
Yep.
you use the financial planning organizer to see the financial planner.
Yes.
And so
and they
anyway,
will be very impressed when you show up with all your stuff in there.
Yeah, it's real interesting because we had some financial planners buy a bunch of these for their clients too.
Oh, okay.
So
I didn't know that.
If you have
Nice.
a financial planner, maybe let him or her know that we have this organizer available. Maybe that's what they can put in the comments today.
Yeah.
Is shout out to your
Financial guy.
tag your financial person or gal.
Or gal, sorry.
You never know.
Yep, you
Yeah.
never know.
So if tag them and say, hey, check out this video.
Right.
Two people are going on Facebook about planning
About
your
this
finances.
green thing, yeah.
But
So I think this is a great product. We also have similar solutions like this. We have a healthcare one,
Healthcare,
an
right.
emergency one,
It's
which
the
we've
all-in-one
the all-in-one
series.
series, a tax
Right.
organizer, which we talked about back in
I'm going to
April.
put up the slide again
Okay.
here. So it's the all-in-one financial planning organizer, 92071. What that 5-digit number allows you to do is either go to Smead.com or myOrganized.life. You can just type that number in, it'll pull it up right away, and you can get it there. You can get it anywhere, really, that fine office products are
Right.
sold.
And I think the big thing is the Wheel of Organization that comes in here is
Yes.
is what you're really benefiting
yeah,
from,
I
because
mean-
we can't give everything away because
Right.
someone could just copy it. We want you
Right.
to buy this, of
Well,
course.
I know when they were developing this product too, they worked with financial
Right.
planners to kind of come up with some of this information as
Yep.
well. So they did a little focus groups and things
Yep.
like that. So
Gives you some things you wouldn't necessarily think about when you're organizing your finances.
great. Well, now the big question is, I just need more finances, then
That's
I can get them
right,
organized.
I know.
So we'll have to just keep doing this show, so I can
Keep hitting
work
that
on
like button
Yes.
so we can generate
Yes.
some.
For every like that you put out there, they'll give me $1 more. I think.
Oh, really?
be nice, wouldn't
That
it?
would be nice.
All right. Well, that's it for Thursday Solutions Day. Tomorrow, Friday, Blogger.
Blogger
Come on.
Roundup.
You need the sit. We need the hands. We need
Blogger Roundup.
Still trying to get this down.
You just gotta twirl your hands.
Twirl my hands.
There you go.
Blogger Roundup. Okay. Well, we'll get to that tomorrow, 2 p.m.
Yep.
Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, like we are here most days, except like this week on Monday we weren't because we
were
weren't
gone.
here.
Yep.
But we're going to keep doing this.
It's fun.
It is a lot of fun. But tomorrow, Blogger Roundup, a show not to miss.
Oh, wait.
What? Oh, that's right. Now, if you're a regular on this
Hopefully
show.
no one clicked off the video because they thought we were done, because
Well,
we're
they're
not
probably
done.
waiting for what we promised yesterday.
That's right. All the viewers that were
Yeah.
watched the whole
Yes.
show yesterday.
Yes, we talked about our summer sale.
Yes, it's not
At myOrganized.life.
officially summer yet, but
No.
we're calling it the summer sale.
Right. And it's going to be on the whole month of June, June 1st through the 30th. However, because you're watching this show live, or even if you're watching it on the replay and it's still May 31st, we're going to give you the code a day early.
Woohoo!
So what does this code do? It gives you 25% off all products
At
on myOrganized.life.
myOrganized.life. And through
Through June 30th.
Oh, through June.
So
Did you
you
just
can
say
use
that?
this
Okay.
multiple times.
Right.
Go in every day and buy a bunch of stuff.
That would be really
That would be
great.
good for you,
That
good
would be
for
great.
us.
Yep.
I'd do the like button on that.
I would too.
So
So what's the code, you ask?
The code is...
Are we going to put that at the bottom of the screen?
Yeah, and when we say code, so what happens is you go in, you put all the stuff in your cart, and then you apply the coupon code, and it takes 25% off.
That's
so
awesome.
the code is... No, let me tell you another story.
Okay.
Let's get to the code. The
Okay.
code is FB, as in Facebook, FB Hot 25.
All right, because hot
FB
is
hot 25.
summer.
Well, it's
Summer's hot.
All
the codes are summer themed right now.
You got to have that, right?
Yep.
FB hot 25.
Okay, and that's going to be at the bottom of the screen.
Yes. Now, that's the only one that will be available today because we're giving it to you early.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek. Maybe, in fact, you want to buy this today?
25% off.
Just use the code FB hot 25 at checkout.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
No, it's hot.
It's
not
hot.
cool.
That's
It's
right.
hot.
It's our summer sale.
Yes.
Roof, roof. The little dog.
That's right. Oh boy.
You're going to be hearing about that a lot.
Yes, that dog, that little bulldog on that.
That little bulldog is fun.
He's cute. Yeah.
Yes, you created that, and that was a great campaign.
Right.
So, all right, folks, that's it for another myOrganized.life live.